What? Your mouth is full. Do not talk with your mouth full. How many times do I got to tell you, do not talk with your mouth full?
Now can you hear
me? Yes, I can hear you now.
I said, do you want to buy a candy bar?
Where did you get the candy bars?
I got them to sell to support my uniform, my cheerleading uniform. Yeah, we're the United Cheerleaders of Cheerleading.
So you're selling candy bars to support your cheerleading. You don't even cheer no more.
That's not the point. I still got to support it.
Again, where did you get the candy bars?
Why are you asking so many questions? I'm supposed to answer the questions, ask questions here, not you. Do you want to buy a candy bar?
First off, stop yelling at me.
No! Buy a candy bar!
How much are your candy bars? I'm just curious. How much are your candy bars?
They're $2 a piece.
So you may pay $2 for your candy bars. You got 3 candy bars.
Yeah, buy them all. Don't be greedy. Be nice. Buy them all.
I'm just curious where you got the candy bars. Tell the truth.
Off the counter? In the kitchen?
That's what I thought. So you stole the candy bars that I bought from a little girl who was going to door to door yesterday selling candy bars for her school or whatever she was supporting.
Yeah, maybe. That's not the point, though. Do you want to buy a candy bar?
I already bought the candy bars. Why would I want to buy the candy bars from you when I already own the candy bars?
Possession is 9/10 of the law, buddy. And the floor owns them right now. Oh. Make sure Courtney don't eat those. That'd be bad. Chocolate for doggies are bad.
Look, I'm not buying my candy bars for a second time. I'm just not going to do it. It's not going to happen. And I think you need to come up with a better way to make money.
Yeah, well, what do you got in mind?
Well, you could get to work first off.
You don't even really pay me a lot.
I pay you enough. I give you free room and board. I pay for your food. I pay for I pay for everything. Acting like an ungrateful child you are.
A child selling candy bars. You want to buy a candy bar?
Stop. It's not happening.
Fine. I'm going to work then.